Let me introduce the egg salad crunch cone, serving up a classic school or work lunch with a bit of a twist. They make a fun handheld treat and are packed with protein. First, boil and peel your 8-minute eggs, cracking the shell all over before dumping them in an ice bath so that the shell peels right off. Works every time. Look at that. Next, chop your parsley, dill and eschalot and add them to a big bowl with mustard, mayonnaise, Greek yogurt, lemon zest and juice. And now it's crunch cone time. Remove the crusts from some soft sliced bread, pinch the diagonal corners together to make a cone, and then cook them at 200 degrees Celsius for 4 minutes until crispy and golden. Meanwhile, add your perfectly boiled Australian eggs to the salad bowl and give it all a good mash to create a protein-filled creamy egg salad. Then fill your crunch cone right up, and I mean all the way. Top it with some lettuce and some parsley, and you have a handheld treat that reinvents work and school lunches with joy. It's a crunchy lunch to make you smile, holds up really well as a one-handed bite, and will have the kids begging for more. Look at that! Enjoy! So good!